Here, Palawan Plaza. So that's SM na there. So malapit lang dito. And my plan also is to get a haircut. So gaano ka ano na din yung pickleball dito sa Puerto Princesa?
Hindi ko lang sure, sir. Pero marami kasi na bumibili sa amin for shoes talaga na pambili.
Pang pickleball talaga na. It's 4,000. Ayan. We are here in Palawan and Puerto Princesa. Anong road po ito, ma'am?
Valencia po.
Valencia Road.
Oh, Valencia.
Okay.
Diyan palengke na. Jollibee. Doon kasi Malbar, dito Rizal.
Rizal. Okay,
Oh,
ito
Rizal.
is Valencia.
Valencia.
Okay, thank you po. The Valencia Road. Market nila dito sa Puerto. We're going to SM. We'll just walk because it's 800 meters naman lang. And it's quite gloomy. Good thing it's gloomy. So hindi mainit for us to walk. Here, Palawan Plaza. I'm here, not in the sun.
Sir, may free giveaway kami, sir. Gusto
Sige.
niyo po i-claim dito lang po sa baba.
Hindi lang.
Try niyo po dito sa opisina.
Baka later.
Ma?
Later po.
Ano sir? Sige po.
Marami din dito. Palawan Pawn Shop. So mag-give us this one. Poncho. Free daw. Maybe another clickbait. Hopefully not. This is their mall, Palawan Plaza. Dito rin. Na. Anong street po ito, ma'am? Hindi mo, ha? Hindi mo kapsado. So that's SM na there. So malapit lang dito. Yung may flag na Philippines. SM na yan. So just walkable lang talaga from our place. It's around 800 meters. It's another way to explore Puerto also by walking. And good thing it's windy and cloudy. And my plan also is to get a haircut. Because I didn't cut my hair for this trip. And my plan is to go in SM, get a haircut. And while Ren and Sophie will get their snacks. And fly. So come here. Let's go. Ready? So Barangay Manggahan. Here. And here in Puerto Princesa, Palawan, their major transportation is tricycle, and they have also here multi-cab jeepneys, but for a longer distance. Mostly talaga is tricycle. And here we are in SM. Okay. Text lang. So let's explore inside their SM.
Young toys.
Push. Okay.
Ako lang mag-outro.
Ano yun eh?
Ato na lang ma.
Magpakat ako sa hair.
Oh, sige.
Sige.
Nakaw na ka na kay Manny.
Wala. Ako na i-tip. Tip na ako. Where the one? Sa taas ah. Sa there? Sa there? Sa there? Same lang sa Cebu? Parehas lang sa Cebu? Na Watson, na healthy bread fanatics. Ay, tawag din. Bread fanatics. Pwede ra. This one is new. Or I mean, new to us. Bendy. Okay. Bye.
Okay, Papa. Kapitol, oh.
Ikaw.
Hindi alam ko siya rin pa. Matala kami sa kukulit. Yung nagiging bastahan siya.
Okay. Let's try going upstairs because most of the saloon are on the third floor. Most of the SM malls. So let's check if there's a barbershop here. So we have here Dermacare, Relaxia. Oh, Pizza House. Maybe we can try it there. Sports Central. Let's check the Sports Central before we are going to go in the barber shop. Maybe there's a pickleball shoes that's on sale. Oh, they have here Gilligan's here. Gilligan's food restaurant. So my estimate price for the cost one. Pickleball shoes is around 4 to 5. This one is good. How much is this? 6,000. I like the color, it's orange. It's around 6,000. Orange brown. 6,500. Maybe they can put a discount pa. So this one's 6,500. Hello. Meron pa kayong pang pickle dito? Pang pickle shoes? Pickle.
Pickle po. Pick and ball, ganon?
Ah, yeah.
Sir, dito po.
So, and then we'll ask Kuya how adik. Yan.
Yan ang po sir ang mga pang pick and ball.
Sir, gaano ka ano na din yung pickleball dito sa Puerto Princesa?
Hindi ko lang sure, sir. Pero marami kasi na bumibili sa amin for shoes talaga na pambili.
Pang pickleball talaga na. Dito sa SM walang korte ng pickle court. Wala dito. So ito daw recommended. Ito.
Ito po.
Ito sa middle.
Sa sila, sir. Pang
Yan.
colorway.
Ito. So this one is 3.6. Ganda na din. Saan? From 4,000. 3.9. Nike lang yung ano, walang ibang brand like A6 or
Wala, sir. A6 wala pa po kami ng service sa ngayon. Maybe another brands, sir. Because lang, sir. Wala pa.
Pero itong size ng itong shoes na to is meron kayong ibang sizes. Ito,
Higher po or lower size?
I think higher ako nito. Ay 9.5 for this
Check ko
one.
na lang, sir. Para
Okay,
makita
sige
niyo.
daw. This one, I like the color. This one, so simple. It's 4,000. Sakto lang din guys. Umulan na ng napakalakas sa labas. Yun lang. Lakas ng ulan. So good thing we are here already inside sa SM. Yan. So hindi pa daw gaano ka hype yung pickle dito sa SM. Dito sa Puerto. Pero eventually, magano din yan. Cebu kasi, and Dumaguete, yan yung nababasa kong mga post. $2,000. Ganda ng shorts. Ganda ng color. 1,600 from 2,000. Yes po.
Sir, size 9.
Size 9?
Yung sumunod sa kanya, sir, 10 na lang. Wala pong... Baka gusto niyo check. Kaya makita niyo po. Yan.
Ito yung 9.
Ayos po.
Maliit din sa akin yung 9. Ano lang? Huwag na lang. Oh. Ano siya no? Pwede din pang tennis, di ba?
Baka sa ibang ano niya, sir, colorway niya yung may 925.
Ano?
Baka sa ibang colorway niya.
Oo. Ang maganda dito. Ito lang yung discounted, ito hindi, no?
Opo, regular. May less din, sir, kapag may ano po kayo, may SM card.
Ganun ba?
Opo.
15%, no?
10.
10. Thank you po. Last lang 9.5. And then discounted pa rin. Pag meron kang SM. Xavier Kids Zone na. So let's go to the barber shop. We have here Rose. There's this sa Cebu, may Rose kami doon. Doon ako nagpapagupit sa Rose. Dito kaya, anong magandang barbershop dito? Walas na lang. Ayan, James Barbershop. Barber Salon. Let's try here. Kano kaya dito? Kasi nasa range ng 300 pesos yung gupit. Yung gupit ng mga boys. And let's check how much. So here, James Barbershop. Oh, we have here Parmac and DJI there. So James Barber Salon. Let's go inside and ask how much. Hello.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm not to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it?
Ayan. Pwedeng ma-wax. Lagyan ng wax.
High-pit tayo sir, zero yung baba.
Okay. So, manataog patupi. Yabag na po. Ayos kaya ang pan. Ang ganda yung kapit ko. I like it. Thanks, James Barbershop. Second floor. Third. I think third floor. Yeah. Third floor. And I searched the James Barbershop. Yeah. They have Bacolod. I think branch ng itong sa Puerto Princesa. Yes. How's my hairstyle? So I just tell the barber what I like. So this is the output. So yeah, they have different output in different place like Baguio, iba din dun sa Ormoc, iba din. So yan, maganda din itong experience na to feel how they hugit you, how they make you another human, no? So iba-iba yung nila experience or style ng paggupit. So better to experience that in different places in Philippines. Yes, let's go. Let's meet Sophie and Ren. So nasa Kiniro Juice sila. Puntahan natin. Alfred. That's the bin lift. And they're here.